I'm Josh Bailey. I've been with EXOVATIONS for almost 13 years, and I'm one of the senior sales consultants. As a sales consultant, I'm trying to help you figure out what you need for your house and how I can help you transform your house in a way that's going to make you excited to come home every day. First, we're going to take a trip around the house, figure out what you need, figure out what you really want so that you can hopefully get both. At EXOVATIONS, education is a big part of what we do. I want you to know exactly what it is that you're getting, why it's a good product to pick, and make sure that you like the way it looks. Most of our clients really appreciate our consultative approach. They appreciate the fact that we're a state licensed contractor, that we've been in business for almost 26 years in a local area, and that we have specialized craftsmen for each aspect of the services that we offer. Many companies can say that they offer a warranty that means something, but for a company that's been in business for over 25 years and offers a lifetime workmanship warranty, that's an incredible peace of mind to someone who's planning on living in their house for a long time. They want to know that the work that's done on their house is going to be done right, and that should there be a problem in the future, that company is still going to be around to help them fix it.